Hello, I'm Buster Graybill. This is my RMUTT, the Renegade Modernist Utility Travel Trailer, ready-made for survival. It's kind of like a mobile studio slash survival trailer. Inside, there's 2 beds, but I also have a lot of tool storage for all my tools. Outside, I have a little slide-out field kitchen. Little 2-burner stove, drawers for storage, even have an oven if you want some biscuits. So we also have an outdoor shower. So you can hose off your equipment, hose off yourself, hot water. This is everything you could ever ask for. Got a little emergency whiskey. You've got survival books on bushcraft, and then we also have some contemporary art books, so survival and contemporary art. Assorted tools. In here there's a first aid kit with splints and bandages and stuff like that. This is a flotation device for a boat, but it also makes a good seat cushion. So I can slide this out and put a cutting board on this and eat here. This is a refrigerator freezer that will be powered by solar. I love milk crates. All my stuff ends up in milk crates, so I thought, why not use them for cabinets? 5-gallon buckets, one for emergencies. This is a lantern box that my great-grandfather made that has all the parts for repairing a lantern. So I guess in some ways this thing kind of inspired me whenever I was like, wow, he went to a lot of work to make sure that you had everything you needed for your lantern. And so I guess in a way this is my giant lantern box. The whole thing is playing on repurposing things and finding innovative ways to use things that are around us. So I wanted to use the moving blankets because they're just a part of my life. And one of my grad students, Eden Collins, helped me. Well, actually, I gave her the design and she did all the work. She did great work. One thing, I've got an escape hatch too.